Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Alishia if you're new to my channel. If you're not new to my channel, hey girl. So today I'm working with Unice Hair again. They sent me over this ginger brown frontal, okay? It's giving cute. It's giving who curled your hair, matter of fact. Who laid your wig? Who laid the lace? Who did it? Me. Oh my gosh. Anyway, this wig is so freaking cute. I love it a lot. The lace literally melted. This is a transparent lace. It's a 13x4 frontal and it's 18 inches. I will have all the details in the description box below as well, so make sure you guys check that out. Thank you so much for coming to my channel. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let's get started. We're back. We got a Unice wig, y'all. So you get a little baggie with all of the goodies in here. There's a shower cap, an edge band, a makeup brush, and some lashes. Alrighty, and here is the wig. It is in this package. It's a 13x4 transparent lace wig, 18 inch. It's a 33B, and it gives you all the information right here. Show me some love. Ooh, yes. Okay, so are you guys getting this color? Beautiful. Here is the hairline. The hairline is definitely looking pre-plucked. There's some baby hairs in there. Inside you have 3 combs, adjustable strap. I usually just cut this off. It is an 18 inch. The ends look really, really good. The hair feels very soft. I believe this is 150% density. It doesn't say on here, but I'm pretty sure it's 150% density, but always check the description box below. But yes, this is gonna be so pretty. So pretty. Okay, so I'm gonna real quick throw some foundation on the lace here, and then I'll come back and we can cut the lace off and style this together. I think I'm gonna put some flat iron curls in it. Yes, I think I might chop it up a little bit, put some layers in it. I might even cut some off the end, just a little bit. And yeah, I'll be back. All right, I'm all done, you guys. This is what the hair turned out like. It looks super, super cute. I do wish it was a little thicker. I don't know the density on this wig, but if it is 150, I think they need to go up to like 180, 200 because it's given thin. But other than that, the hair looks really, really good. The lace, hold on. Can we get close up on the lace? The lace is absolutely phenomenal. 100%. The ear tabs are a little bit too high. My head's big though. If you don't have a big head, you might not ever even have problems like me. But this looks really, really cute. I like it. Let me show you guys the back real quick. Okay, so yes, this is really cute. So this is an 18-inch body wave 33B, which is like a ginger brown It's really cute. It's actually giving, when I look in this mirror right here, it looks brighter than right here and right here. But, oh, there you go. Now you can see that's a better idea. So the color is really beautiful, you guys. If you guys don't care about like density, you're gonna love this wig. I just really would rather it be like a little bit more full in like this area. And honestly, I didn't even want to cut it because then I didn't want it to be too short either, because it's already like on the shorter end because it's only 18 inches. So I didn't cut like I didn't cut anything off the ends. I just cut a little bit on my bangs because I wanted to do like a little flippy flip. And yeah, so this is the hair. She's cute. I really like this color with some colored contacts because I want to be extra. But I also think it goes really good with the chocolate brown. So I'm liking the look altogether. Make sure you guys check out the description box for all the details on this wig. Also, a discount code will be in the description box below, so make sure you guys check that out as well. Thank you again, Unice Hair, for sending me this beautiful wig, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.